exercise we are going to do today is to think of an animal, the name that begins with the letter R. Okay, Fijian alphabet, the letter R. Think of an animal's name that begins with the letter R. Can you think of one? And once you can think of that animal, the next thing I want you to do is to spell it in Fijian after saying the name of the animal. So you got the name of your animal? Because I have one. If yours is the same as mine, good. If not, that's okay. But you can, if it's different from mine, you please put it in the comment section below. And I know you have attempted to spell it, and if you have managed to spell it in Fijian, just like I'm gonna show you now mine, if you have also done the same as I have done here, congratulations to you. So the name of my animal is, in Fijian, the name of an animal starting with the letter R is Asa. Asa. So to spell Asa is A Sa A. Asa. A Sa A. Asa. If you want to learn Fijian alphabet, you'll have to go back and watch my videos on the Fijian alphabet that I have already posted. And if you can do that, very good. But if you have been following me thus far, and my son as well, on the things that we have put out before, very good, and congratulations to you. So there you go, the name of my animal. And if you had thought of another name, the name of another animal that begins with the letter R, not the same as mine, which was Asa, please put that down in the comment, please. And if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe. If you have done so, I thank you for that. And keep watching this, and please make comments in the comment section so that we can grow the channel through the algorithm. Vinaka, see you in the next one.